Welcome to Grammar Fuel. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss our daily videos. Don't forget to turn the notifications on. Learning Chinese? Start with these 50 powerful words. Repeat after me and speak like a native faster. Ni hao. Pronunciation: ni hao. It means hello. Repeat, ni hao. Again, ni hao. 再见. Pronunciation: 再见. It means goodbye. Repeat, 再见. Again, 再见. 谢谢. Pronunciation: 谢谢. It means thank you. Repeat, 谢谢. Again, 谢谢. 不客气. Pronunciation: 不客气. It means you're welcome. Repeat, 不客气. Again, 不客气. 对不起. Pronunciation: 对不起. It means sorry. Repeat, 对不起. Again, 对不起. 是. Pronunciation: 是. It means yes to be. Repeat, 是. Again, 是, 不是. Pronunciation: 不是. It means no, not. Repeat, 不是. Again, 不是. 请. Pronunciation: 请. It means please. Repeat, 请. Again, 请. 我. Pronunciation: 我. It means I, me. Repeat, 我. Again, 我. 你. Pronunciation: 你. It means you. Repeat, 你. Again, 你, 他. Pronunciation: 他. It means he, him. Repeat, 他. Again, 他, 他. Pronunciation: 他. It means she, her. Repeat, 他. Again, 他. 我们. Pronunciation: 我们. It means we, us. Repeat, 我们. Again, 我们. 他们. Pronunciation: 他们. It means they, them. Repeat, 他们. Again, 他们. 这. Pronunciation: 这. It means this. Repeat, 这. Again, 这 na. Pronunciation, na. It means that. Repeat, na. Again, na. Na. Pronunciation, na. It means which. Repeat, na. Again, na. 什么? Pronunciation, 什么. It means what. Repeat, 什么? Again, 什么? 谁? Pronunciation, 谁? 谁. It means who. Repeat, 谁? Again, 谁? 怎么? Pronunciation, 怎么? It means how. Repeat, 怎么? Again, 怎么? 哪里? Pronunciation, 哪里? It means where. Repeat, 哪里? Again, 哪里? 为什么? Pronunciation, 为什么? It means why. I. Pronunciation, I. It means love. Repeat, I. Again, I. Chew. Pronunciation, chi. It means eat. Repeat, chew. Again, chew. He. Pronunciation, he. It means drink. Repeat. He. Again. He. Kan. Pronunciation. Kan. It means look or watch. Repeat. Kan. Again. Kan. Ting. Pronunciation. Ting. It means listen. Repeat. Ting. Again. Ting. Sure. Pronunciation. Sure. It means speak or say. Repeat. Sure. Again. Sure. 做. Pronunciation. 做. It means do or make. Repeat. 做. Again. 做. Chew. Pronunciation. Chew. It means go. Repeat. Chew. Again. Again. Chew. Lie. Pronunciation. Lie. It means come. Repeat. Lie. Again. Lie. 写. Pronunciation. 写. It means write. Repeat. 写. Again. 写. 读. Pronunciation. 读. It means read. Repeat. 读. Again. 读. 睡觉. Pronunciation. 睡觉. It means sleep. Repeat. 睡觉. Again. 睡觉. 工作. Pronunciation. 工作. It means work. Repeat. 工作. Again. 工作. 学习. Pronunciation. 学习. It means study. Repeat. 学习. Again. 学习. 家. Pronunciation. 家. It means home or family. Repeat. 家. Again. 家. 学校. Pronunciation. 学校. It means school. Repeat. 学校. Again. 学校. 医院. Pronunciation. 医院. It means hospital. Repeat. 医院. Again. 医院. 商店. Pronunciation. 商店. It means store or shop. Repeat. 商店. 商店. Again. 商店. 钱. Pronunciation. 钱. It means money. Repeat. 钱 again. 钱 人 pronunciation 人 it means person or people. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet.